Did you know your brain has a delete button? Not literally, of course. But neuroscience has discovered a fascinating process that allows your brain to let go of old, unused information, and it's something you can actually take control of. Let's dive into the science behind this. You've probably heard the phrase, practice makes perfect. In brain science, that's translated as, neurons that fire together, wire together. The more you repeat a skill, like playing the piano, learning a language, or riding a bike, the stronger the connections in your brain become. These connections are called synapses. But there's another side to learning. To grow stronger neural connections, your brain also needs to prune the weak ones. This process is called synaptic pruning, and it's your brain's natural delete system. Imagine your brain as a garden. Instead of flowers, you grow synaptic connections between neurons. These pathways allow brain chemicals like dopamine and serotonin to travel. Some of the gardeners of your brain are special cells called glial cells. Among them are microglial cells, which act like the cleanup crew. They remove weak or unused neural connections, the weeds, to make room for new growth. How do they know what to delete? Connections that are rarely used get tagged with a special protein, like C1q, which signals to the microglial cells, hey, this one's not needed anymore, time to prune. One of the most powerful tools to help your brain delete the unnecessary is sleep. When you sleep, your brain cells shrink by up to 60%, creating space for microglial cells to come in and clear away the clutter. This is why sleep is so essential for memory, learning, and clear thinking. Ever felt mentally foggy after a poor night's sleep? That's your brain struggling to function without its nightly cleanup. Even short naps, just 10 to 20 minutes, can boost your brain's ability to refresh itself. Think of sleep as defragmenting your brain, clearing out messy, inefficient connections and optimizing performance. Here's where it gets really interesting. You can influence what your brain deletes. The connections you don't use get pruned. The ones you use regularly get stronger. So if you spend time obsessing over old arguments, regrets, or fears, guess what sticks around? Those connections. But if you focus your energy on growth, learning, kindness, or creativity, your brain will reinforce those patterns instead. What you focus on literally reshapes your brain. Want to activate your brain's delete button? Here's how. Stop thinking about what you want to forget. The less you focus on it, the more likely it will get marked for deletion. Shift your attention. When a negative thought arises, change your focus. Think of something positive, productive, or inspiring. Meditate. Meditation helps clear mental clutter and strengthens your focus on the present moment. Sleep well. Give your brain the time it needs to clean up and reorganize. Be mindful of what you consume. The information you feed your brain becomes part of your neural structure. Remember, you shape your mind by what you choose to pay attention to. The more you practice focusing on things that matter, the more powerful those brain pathways become. Your brain is always changing, pruning old connections, building new ones. You can't always control what happens around you, but you can control where you focus your mind. So next time a thought or habit isn't serving you, stop feeding it. Let your brain mark it for recycling. Because yes, your brain has a delete button. Now you know how to use it. Well, that is it for today. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.